How to add black screen in CapCut. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up CapCut on your screen, and then once you open it up, tap on new project and select up a video in which you want to add a black screen to. For example, I have selected this video. So all you gotta do is you need to go ahead and split up the video in which part you want to add the black screen to. For example, let's say this part. Once you've split it off the video, in the bottom from the editing options, swipe right and look for the option called overlay. This one right here, tap on it. After doing so, it will be placed down. So all you gotta do is this overlaid video, you need to make it to this section like this. And when you go ahead and play the video like this, and then when you go ahead and play the video like this, you should be finding the black screen that you put in the middle of the screen. So this is one of the way you can use in order to add a black screen in the middle of a video in CapCut. Otherwise, we have a simple method which is overlay. You may use this option in order to select a black screen and place it over the video, and that's it. So that is how you basically split video and add black screen in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.